How to check someone's recent following on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view someone's recent following in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you head over to your Instagram and if you head over to your own profile, you can see your followers and following list. If you head over to your following, you will get an option where you can simply sort it by latest. So here you can see the following list by latest, and it's pretty straightforward for your own profile. Now the things are different when you're trying to just view profile for someone that's not you. So I mean other people's account. So here you can see that you can simply set it by default, or you can set it by latest or earliest. So yeah, if you head over to someone else's following list, you'll notice that the thing is not so straightforward. Here you will see that these all are just arranged in a random order, or they're arranged in an order but you don't know what. So here what you can do actually do is that you can just know that by most recent, the new followings are often just on the top. So except you here, except your option here, the other ones that are on the top are basically the ones they are following in the latest or in the recent days. So on the top, whichever profiles on the top are the ones that are being followed. So yeah, that's the first way. Now you cannot actually be sure about this way because Instagram algorithm does not actually work that way. So the other method is that depending on your relationship with this person, you can actually directly go ahead and ask them about who they have followed. Now that's the second thing that you can do. And if it's a bit awkward method and you don't want that to happen, you can simply head over to their profile, you can head over to their posts and check their likes and comments. So if you see new person, if you see a new person who just started commenting on there recently, you can know that that very person is the one they have recently started following or added to their followers. And yeah, that is how you can check your you can check someone's recent following on Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.